Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Here we have the Seat Leon. This is the Cupra 290 Sport Tourer, so the estate version, on a 66 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot space and then work our way to the interior from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. With it being the Tourer version, plenty of boot space as well. And as you can see from that seat on the left-hand side, you can, of course, fold the seats down to increase this space even further should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way down the passenger side before we hop in and run through some controls. But now that we've done a full circle of the vehicle, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so we'll hop in and do some of that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. As we're inside, I'm going to turn the car off. I just wanted you to see it running before I did that. So firstly, over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the center, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. Below that, you can turn your cruise control on and off. So with it off, you'll be able to see the total miles for this car, which are 57,157. You can change the information displayed in that central section using buttons on the steering wheel. We're on the driving data menu. There are lots of different menus available, as you can see, and they are all accessed with the buttons just here. We have our stereo controls behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus paddle to change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And this is where you will turn your cruise control on and off and set it with the buttons on the end of that stalk. Into the center, the main touchscreen. So we can go to the main menu and you can access anything you want on here, either by using the touchscreen or the dial just here. Or if you wish to, you can hit the buttons that appear down the left and right hand sides. For example, you'll be able to access your radio, DAB, FM and AM radio, all available. If you want to listen to your own music, you do so under the media heading, and in the top left hand corner you can see it says source, and they are the different ways in which you can listen to music, and they include Bluetooth audio. So once you pair your phone just here, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls as well as streaming your music wirelessly, of course. We can access the car's satellite navigation. We have a traffic info menu and a car menu. Main volume for your stereo can be found just there. Below that, we can put the car in Cupra mode with a push of this button. So what essentially you're doing is giving yourself or putting yourself into sport mode, Cupra mode with every push of this button, individual or comfort, which is your kind of everyday driving setup. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is turned off when that light shows. You can turn your parking sensors on and off, your traction control on and off, and your hazard warning lights, of course. This car has dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the driver and passenger temperatures. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air distributed. The air conditioning is off at the moment. That button turns it on and off. With it on, you can hit auto. The car, as you can hear and see, will take control for you to maintain these temperatures. Any manual adjustment will override that straight away for you. We have some storage, USB and auxiliary inputs, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and 2 cup holders. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.